We'll guide you through how to make a PayPal account. Let's get right into this.
You will need to open up your browser. Then when you get into the browser, select one of the search boxes and write PayPal. Then when you get right here, you open up the first link, paypal.com. Then you will need to sign up for free by pressing this button or going to the top right and pressing sign up. Now right here, first off, you will need to enter your mobile number. Then after you enter your mobile number, you will be asked for a verification code that will be sent to your number using an SMS message. Then after you enter that code, you will need to set up the rest of your profile. First off, an email address, then first and last name and your password. And right here, you will need to add your address, nationality, date of birth, postal number, and you can select some of these settings at the bottom, like stay logged in for faster checkout, and also confirm that you agree with the PayPal's user management and privacy statement. Then after you do that, you will be asked what do you want to try first, shopping or sending money, or you can simply press not now, which I will do. Then you will need to link a credit card with your account, a debit or credit card to be exact, and you can edit that. I'll just press not now. And that is it. We have successfully created our PayPal account. We can send payments or we can request money. You can also navigate through the options at the top and check out the different sections. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.